What's going on? What's going on? Skyzdalimit here with an unboxing. Skymail! Yes, Skymail. Y'all been waiting on. So, if you would like to see what I got in Skymail this unboxing, tune into this video. As always, music playing in the background. Neutral nigga. Burner, Showtime Entertainment 404, DJ Vibes repping the home team, Vans Digital Beats, YJ Arthur, better known as True Form, and other artists to come. Also, if you would like to advertise with me on my channel, you can email me at Skyzdalimit2018@gmail.com. Send me a sample of your product. I will do an unboxing like I'm about to do. I will also do a unboxing so they can see a true reaction of how I feel about the product. I will give it a fair review, and I will do an advertisement commercial for you on my channel to help you drum up business. You can share this out, help you drum up business, and get people to buy your product. Everybody needs some extra coins in their pocket, so let's get to it. So let's get right into this unboxing. So this is from Posey.com. I'm a part of a group of people that do like sales and everything, and they had a little promotional code for a pair of sunglasses. So I couldn't. That's the name. So this is what. Okay, so it tells what I got. I got the woman's butterfly shaped sunglasses, the rose gold mirror lens. You don't want to get me started, I just finish it. Gatorade for the losers need replenishing. This is God talking to you. Like I need another pair of sunglasses, but you can never have too many pair of sunglasses. So what y'all think? What's this giving? Nigga, stand up. The takeover was took. Who got the handcuffs? Who lieutenant that? Where the sergeant at? You better split them bars before I spit them back. Put your hands up. Nigga, stand up. The takeover was took. Who got the handcuffs? Now see my ring light in the background? You better split them bars before I spit them back. So yes. This is the first, what's the name? So yeah, I love these. I really love these. Okay, now let's get to this. What's the name? I believe this is from, Palmpe off Instagram, working with them as a brand ambassador. Yeah, Palmpe. So we're gonna go with what's in. So this is for Palmpe. Says, welcome to the Palmpe Ambassador Program. You're dearly loved, and we're happy you are now part of the team. Please ask the team on our Instagram to set up your lifetime discount code. Also get a guaranteed feature on our main Instagram if you make a video talking about our products, and we'll send it to us. We are looking forward to see some of the amazing products of representatives of these products. So I'm gonna have to do a separate video for this. So they gave me a $20 holla gift card so I can order more stuff. Okay, so this is a bracelet, affinity bracelet.
Chip on my shoulder, who gon' knock it off? Skip the monkey business, nigga, just box it off. But y'all the type of niggas making docs and calls. Makes it hard to kind of beef with the ops involved. Where I'm from, we don't trust the cops and law. It's never caused before, only after niggas fall.
I believe this is for your, this is a bracelet, not an anklet.
Back to State Street in the parking lot, where you can test your right hand or unorthodox. These niggas mix shit just like a porta pot. Someone send me some pills, my doctor order stop. Bam, hook me up with a 30 piece. And I ain't got a cash app, but could you mail it please? Been a chopper nigga, I'm a day one. I only eat my steak well, fuck your A1s. You the one to send them off whenever they come. Maybe you can take the same trip, run where they run. Don't enjoy my brothers, but I gotta vent. If y'all don't understand, it's clear and evident. I've been in this chopper for a long time. Looking down at y'all studying these hard crimes. My observation, equal bars and hard lines.
Okay, so here is, I think this is a bracelet too.
Like the end of school days. Some of y'all still sleep, the price that cool pays. We the organs that give the earth life. The only begotten son is a birthright. Bishop Neutral standing at the podium.
Okay, this is a anklet.
Now it's time to give the daily word and the shots out of course.
Yeah, this is the
observed.
anklet.
Shots out the
This is definitely not gonna fit around my neck, so this definitely is a anklet. Y'all not gonna be able to see this on my ankle. That is cute.
It only hurts the home base when you speak apart. Reckon with you where the fuck is Durham at? Fuck the running campaign, we need Durham back.
Okay, so let's show you what's in the. This is a necklace.
Lie, you know I exercise my brain waves. I can see the intentions like it's plain days. You the type of niggas put the hoes down. Any bitch say neutral, 10 toes down. I'm a chopper back since it was E-Fud. Supernova copper man showing me love. Showtime simply made it Pac-Man. Before the boom turned Ben, this is facts, man. Some of y'all need to get a CAT scan. Use your head for something more than a hat stand. We supposed to be the ones to wake the sheep, but y'all ain't even woke. Who you think created beef? Niggas going to war on that platform. Truth turn to beef, then you turn your back on them. I can spit a bar and give you act right, but you don't want this crack.
It's a choker. I'm definitely gonna have to put an extender on this, cause this is cutting off the circulation in my neck. But it's cute though. It's cute, but my neck too fat. Let me hurry up for this. My neck do the Incredible Hulk and pop this bitch off. Woo!
Starting to sound like a bunch of dumb kids.
So put this right on back on here.
YouTube, let's bring back the fun shit. Y'all done turned this fuck into a come quick. And I'll be taking notes, let my tongue spit. To give you bars, land up straight where your wig sit.
Put that back in here. So yeah, we have come to the end of this unboxing. Skymail. Ooh, that was a tight around my neck. So as always, I need y'all to stay blessed. Stay away from the negativity. Always live in your truth. Don't let nobody, and I mean nobody, discourage you from what you plan on doing in life. If you put your mind to it, you can do it. Surround yourself around like-minded people, positive people. Stay away from the negativity. Keep your heads up, and I'll catch y'all on the next video. Peace. Oh, like I said, if you would like to advertise with me on my channel, you can email me at Skyzdalimit2018@gmail.com. Send me a sample of your product and I will work out a deal with you where I will do an unboxing so they can see a true reaction and how I feel about the product. I will give it a fair review of what I think of the product, and I will do a commercial for you on my channel to help you grow my business. You can share the video out, and it will help you bring in more customers. So, as always, keep y'all heads up, and I'll catch y'all on the next video.